Hello friends, in this video we are going to set up the Shopify store. So let's start how we can enable the Shopify platform to sell your products in that platform. So let me tell you why we are using the Shopify. There are various platforms like Shopify, Magento, and WooCommerce. So they have the very competitive role in the which platform we are going to use. So Magento is basically totally open source and it's very high in demand. After that, we have a Shopify, which we have like hardly takes 14 to 15 minutes to set up the whole store and you can sell the products online just finalizing the domain. Okay, so it is not open source. All the data, all the source code is on the Shopify platform. So it's very difficult to edit the code, modify the code, and like taking the backup, then download the code, then update the code. That is very hassle and vessel. But all the things are managed by the Shopify, so you don't need to take care of that security and anything else. So everything like optimization, everything is managed by the Shopify platform. And WordPress has, if you are small business but it has some security hacks, so definitely we have to use the maybe Magento or maybe the Shopify. But I prefer if you have a very talented, because Magento developers are very expensive and it is very highly expensive platform for the Magento because it uses so many code, so many RAM CPUs, high end server required for the Magento. So let's begin with the Shopify. Let's check, and we have the already tutorials for the Magento. Let's check the Shopify, how we are going to use it and how it the monthly cost and everything. So let's check. We are going to use the 14-day trial period, and let's check how we can set up the Shopify website in just 10 to 15 minutes. Let's begin it. So here you need to enter. Let's go to the Shopify site. After that, you need to go to this free trial. Here I need to enter my email. I'm going to add Magento developer 1993 at the rate gmail.com. Okay. Start free trial. Password. Okay, I'm putting my password. Create store. So it's initializing the store. Okay. So it says, are you already selling? I'm just playing around. I am not selling products yet. Facebook, Google. Which your current revenue? Zero. Please choose. Uh, you say electronics. Okay. Next. First name. Go to the next after filling all the details like address, city, state, pin code. So see, now we are on the store is set up. Let's they are showing getting ready to sell online. Try these tips to get this. Add product, add domain, set up shipping, set up checkout, launch your store, review or online store. Okay, so if I go and check this domain only, this is admin panel, and if you go and just enter this one, the shop has no theme. Return to the something went wrong. The shop has no theme, so nothing we have configured right now. Okay, so here we are going to add a product. Test. Hello, this is test product. Media, you can download. Price one compare price, no. Cost per month, yes. SKU available, weight, region, to select here from India. Okay, save. After that, customize theme. So we are going to choose the theme over here. So current theme is this. Explore free themes. So I have just added this theme. Action, publish. Let's check. Now we have theme is activated. See, we have added the sample product. Where it is. Example product. Okay, so this is how we have configured the theme. And after that, what next? It says view store. So the theme is already there on the side, and we are just in a few steps we are able to set up the Shopify store, right? And after that we have to do the such minor configurations in that. So we will do the step-by-step video, how we will add the product, how we will customize the theme, how we will choose the theme according to our needs. So let's check all these things in the coming tutorials. And yeah, this is for the basic simple store. You can go with the Shopify with the let's but it's monthly subscription. Let's check the pricing plans of the Shopify theme. Let's check the Shopify plans. Ideal for the newcomers, that is 29 USD per month. Ideal expanding business is consistent online sales. Then you have to use this, then use. So monthly you are going to pay the server cost, hosting to the Shopify. And for the extensions also, if you're trying to install some extensions, you would need to also pay for that if it is like not free and payable. So this is the issue. Every time you need to do the billable, right, for the monthly or maybe yearly. But if you choose Magento platform, it's open source, one time investment you need to do. The sales increases, the the CPU high memory and all thing we are going to increase it. So this is but for the small scale businesses or maybe the big one, you can use that Shopify platform because easy to use. And in just 5 to 10 minutes you are able to set up the set up the store and going to ready for the sell. Okay, so you are going after that you will get to receive the orders and everything. So this is for basic setup store, and the next video we are going to check how we can add the product and how to show it in the front end and basic customization of the theme. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.